Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious apple pie. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 medium apples, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 pie crusts. You'll also need some spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. For the crust, make sure your butter is very cold. Roll out 1 pie crust and carefully place it into a 9-inch pie plate, trimming any excess. This forms the base for your wonderful pie. Next, let's prepare the star of the show, the apple filling. Peel, core, and slice your apples into uniform 1/4 inch pieces. In a large bowl, gently toss the sliced apples with about 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Then, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This coating helps thicken the juices and adds that classic apple pie flavor. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully pour the apple filling mixture into the bottom pie crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Dot the top of the filling with 2 tablespoons of cold butter. Then, place the second pie crust over the apples. Trim and crimp the edges to seal, creating a beautiful border. Don't forget to cut several small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape during baking. Finally, let's bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pie for the first 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set perfectly. Serve warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a truly delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.